Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your OPPO Find X9. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle Bluetooth off and on in the settings. So let's unlock our phone, and here we need to open up the settings app. Now select Bluetooth, and as you guys can see, it is enabled now. So we want to turn it off with a couple of seconds, and then we can turn it back on. So what you guys can do next is, if you have a device paired, then you guys can unpair it and then repair the same device in those settings. So I would also recommend you guys resetting the device that you're trying to connect to or that was paired, because you can fix a lot of things with the Bluetooth not connecting that way. So next, what you guys can do is restart the phone and the Bluetooth device. So I do not have a Bluetooth device on me, but I still can show you how to reset the phone. So hold the power button and the power button. Now you should be able to see the restart and the power off menu, and we're gonna swipe up to restart it. Now we saw the OPPO logo while it was turning off, and now all we have to do is wait for our phone to turn back on from the restart. So I'll see you guys in a couple of seconds. Now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any connectivity glitches. So go over to settings. Now we need to swipe down until we see system and update, and here we will have the software update right up top, and it will check for updates automatically, so you do not need to click on anything here. Now my software is up to date, but if yours isn't and you have a button to install it, then I recommend you guys downloading it, installing it, because you need to keep up with the latest phone updates to make sure that there's no glitches. So that'd be it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.